In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit your watch list on Coinbase application. So first of all, of course, you'd like to go and download Coinbase application on your phone. Of course, if you don't have that, you would like to go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Then you would like actually to go and click at get started after opening of course the application to create your account. Of course, if you already have an account, just ignore all of that, log into your account, and let's just get straight into this tutorial. So let me just go here and open my Coinbase application, as you should of course if you want to follow this tutorial steps, or if you already did open the application, that will be actually great. So let's just wait here the application until it loads, and as you can see, that will actually be my home or my main screen on the Coinbase application. So as you can see, if you scroll down a bit, you'll find your watch list here, which by default you'll find here Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. So of course, if you want to edit this watch list, or let's say as an example, if you want to remove an asset or just remove something from your watch list, you'd like to click at the edit at the top right corner. So where can you find that? So as you can see, we don't have an edit right here, right? So if you don't have it, all good. All you need to do, just go to one of your cryptos or whatever, maybe stocks here. Coinbase, sorry, has just crypto, sorry. So let's just click at Bitcoin, or let's use an example, Solana. So as you can see, after like opening the Solana crypto, wait, the graph will load right now. So as you can see, if you scroll down here, you'll find all the details about Solana. We don't care about that. We will care just about a star at the top right corner. So if you click, it will be on blue. So if you click on that and make it like on white, if we go back now, and of course we'll need to refresh. First of all, we will not find it anymore on our watch list. Of course, if you want to add any other crypto, just go or find the crypto that you want. So let's use an example, this GNT. So just go and click on that and wait, of course, until it's the charts load. So let's just wait, and all you need to do, click at this star right here, make it with blue right here, and let's just reload now. And as you can see, wait, let's just wait a bit until it loads. So as you can see here, you will find it right there. So that will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you guys like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.